In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly update your profile picture in Zoho Mail, ensuring your online presence reflects your current look. We'll guide you through the process step by step, so let's jump right into it. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho Mail account. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL mail.zoho.com. A quick reminder here, make sure you've got your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. This is your gateway to personalizing your account. After clicking the profile icon, you'll see an option labeled My Account. Click on this, and it will open up your Zoho account settings in a fresh new tab. The Zoho account settings is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing and managing your Zoho experience. Once you're there, you should see an organized sidebar to the left of the screen. You'll want to look for the section labeled Personal Information and click on it. This will direct you to the page where you can handle all your personal details within Zoho, including your profile picture. Now, let's focus on the task at hand, updating your profile picture. You'll notice your current picture, or possibly just a circle with your initials, sitting pretty on this page. Glide your mouse over this area and you'll see a small camera icon appearing, ready for action. Click on this camera icon to start the process of changing your profile image. Next, you'll need to upload a brand new picture from your device. This is your chance to ensure that your profile reflects your desired image. Do note that Zoho supports both JPG and PNG formats, so be sure your image is in one of these formats before you proceed. Additionally, it's highly recommended to use a square image with dimensions around 500 by 500 pixels. Choosing the right size and format enhances how your image displays across different Zoho platforms for optimal presentation. Once you've selected your desired image, you'll notice an option to save it. Make sure to click Save to apply the changes. This ensures your new profile picture is securely updated and visible whenever you're signed in. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully updated your profile picture in Zoho Mail. I hope this walkthrough has been clear and helpful.